What is matter? Also known as what is matter. We're going to cut this out, and this is going to go on page, I believe, 25 of our notebooks. I think that's where we left off. Okay? So what we've been dealing with lately is atoms. Okay, now we're going to start doing different things to them. Okay? So if we add or subtract a proton, okay, like we said, which we technically cannot do, okay, but if you have 3 protons, as shown on here, we have lithium. If we add a proton, we're now beryllium. Okay? So if we add or subtract a proton, we are a new element. That's this guy down here. Alright, if we add another atom, so we start combining atoms, okay, then we're talking about molecules. Okay, that's like O2. So an example of this, O2. Not 1 oxygen, but 2 oxygens. Or we start making molecules like H2O or CH4, methane. Okay, examples. So these would be molecules. Alright, these are going to be the new ones today. Okay? Subtracting and adding electrons happens all the time. That's what we're going to focus on today, actually. Okay? Those are called ions. Anytime that we add or subtract an electron, those are the ones on the outside spinning around. We call those ions. If we add or subtract neutrons, that's what's going to get us an isotope. These we're going to break down a little bit later in the week. Okay? But we need to know the difference between atoms, molecules, isotopes, ions. Okay? This is when we add or subtract electrons, add or subtract protons, a completely additional atom, add or subtract a neutron. Okay, so let's look at our second sheet for the day. Here it is. Ions. Using ordinary chemical processes, the nucleus of an atom remains unchanged, but the number of electrons in an atom can be changed very easily. If electrons are removed from or added to an atom, the atom becomes electrically charged. To become electrically charged, if we add or remove electrons. This electrically charged atom is called an ion. Ions. Positively charged are called cations, and a negatively charged is an anion. Okay? Let's line those up. Negative is called an anion, and a positive is called a cation. To show that an atom has a positive charge, the subscript positive is added after the chemical symbol. If the atom has lost only 1 electron, so we've lost an electron, we've lost 1 negative, there's no number before the positive sign. If the atom has lost 2 electrons, the subscript would be written as +2. If the atom has lost 3 electrons, it would be +3. For instance, sodium positive is a sodium atom that has lost 1 electron. Okay? All right, to show that an atom has a negative charge. If we have a negative charge, the subscript is added after the chemical symbol. If the atom has gained 1 electron, there's no number before the sign. Okay? If the atom has gained 2 electrons, the subscript would be written as -2. If the atom has gained 3 electrons, it would be -3, and so on. So for example, carbon, 1 negative, is a chlorine atom with 1 extra electron. Alright, so answer the questions down here at the bottom. Okay? And let's look at the back. Okay, so we're going to do this very similar to how we did the previous